Hello, explore Akagera National Park with me. Hello, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Grace Uwachu, and today I'm excited to take you on an adventure that brought so much joy to my heart. A few weeks ago, I took a trip to Akagera National Park. It was one of the best experiences of my life. So I checked in at Akagera Game Lodge on Saturday, one of the 3 Mantis hotels we have in Rwanda. And to be honest, this is probably my favorite. The interior of the hotel is breathtaking, the views from the room were to die for, and I woke up at 5 every morning to catch the sunrise. On the first night, dinner was set up by the pool. It was super delicious, the food was really good, the salad bar was to die for. I managed to take a few photos and videos as I was trying to be in the moment as much as possible, and the breeze was everything. So on Sunday, I got up super early to go for breakfast, and honestly, look at this food spread. Everything was there, the food was really good, and the views from the balcony, which is where I had my breakfast, was so good. And then Isaac, my tour guide, picked me up at 8 to go for dinner. Once we left the hotel, we went to pay for the game drive, which was about $180, and then I got briefed about the history of the park and the route we were about to take. The park is home to over 60 lions, 100 giraffes, and over 2,000 zebras. As we set out for the game drive, I was so amazed by how beautiful the park is. Please tell me this is not what we see in the movies. And after a few minutes, we saw some antelopes. We saw some zebras, and trust me, on this day they were out to show off, because honestly it's the beauty for me. They're so beautiful. I also managed to take a few videos of them walking right behind me, which was surreal. And then we saw some buffaloes walking in packs. And as we went on, we saw some giraffes, some monkeys, some hippopotamus, and some crocodiles, and finally we saw some rhinos. But that wasn't the best part about the trip for me. The best part for me, guys, was seeing the elephants. Look at how big they are, being close to them. They're, even the videos don't do it justice. They're so big. They're scary, a bit scary. I was scared at some point because they were very close to the car. But this for me, this was it, seeing the elephants, and that's what Isaac had promised, and Isaac delivered. I loved every moment of it. So after this, we headed back to the hotel. From there, it was literally just chill vibes, good food, naps, and the next day I headed back to Kigali. Honestly, this for me was an experience I will never forget. Everyone at Akagera Game Lodge was extremely nice and kind. The food was everything. If you want to have a game drive in Akagera National Park, please request for Isaac. He has been working there for almost 10 years and knows his way around the park. I'm definitely going back because I have to see the lions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and please don't forget to share it.